Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for custom outdoor playsets business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily on a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. So here enter your business or your website type, custom outdoor playsets. So for example, let's choose this. Now enter your store name, type any name you want. Now let's continue. Do you already have an online store? If you already have one, choose or not. Now let's continue. What would you like to sell? Physical product or premium product and digital product, and maybe services. Now let's continue. What would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Now design the site, click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template, so for me I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone, and here if you wanna add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. Wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard or the homepage website. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your website, click here. So this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So here the first element, the text. Here you find the same text. You can select any font or any size you want of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image. Here find the image elements. If you want to upload or import images, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button elements. Here you find the themes buttons and the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons and documents buttons and the iTunes button. And here you find the payments button. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. So let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome and testimonials and theme. So you have to add any one of these on your home page at any place you want. Let's move on to the decorative. Here we find the shapes, the themed lines and the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Also here we find the vector art, the featured, icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. Here we find the video box and the video mask and transparent video. So let's move on to the box, the boxes elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the over boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the gallery elements. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, or if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you're looking for if you want to show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here you find the themed menus and the horizontal menus and the vertical menus, and here we find the image navigation, the anchor and the image menu And the last here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your homepage: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver and subscribe forms. So if you have to add any one of these on your homepage at any place as you like on your homepage. So let's move on to the Google Maps. Here find the normal maps and the full width maps, and here the last is the Wix chat and the line button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here find the video elements. If you want to add some single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. And here if you want to edit your music elements, audio player or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. If you want to add some interactive slideshows, the full width slideshows or boxes slideshows. Here you find the light boxes. Here you find the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. And the last here you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Here you find the list, and here you find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you wanna custom some popular embeds, if you wanna add some single video players, here the audio elements. If you wanna add the audio elements, here the advanced elements. Here you find the marketing tools and the video dev mode. And the last here is the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars on your home page or Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. And the last here is the music and video, the YouTube line, the YouTube link if you want to add your channel on your home page. Now let's move on to the payments elements. Here find the payments buttons, the payments forms, and the pricing plans. And the last here is the store. So that's it. Now here the CMS, here if you want to easily manage your site content. And here the blog if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here the store, you find the store if you want to edit the store elements. Here the bookings, the booking elements and the related elements and the pricing plans. Here the events if you want to create and manage events. Here the community if you want to add the members area. And the last here is your designs. So that's it. Here if you want to add section, select any section you want from here. Now let's move on to the page and the menus. So here you can add page, any page you want. Now let's move on to the site design. So if you want to customize your site, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions, if you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business. Now if you want to upload your media and edit images and videos, or if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, here if you want to manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads or the SEO or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now if you're done from this designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish and you're gonna publish your website. It's and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.